Hi, I am your friend Avinash. Today's video topic is keywords in Java. Now the definition of let's start with definition. Keywords are the reserved words whose meaning is already defined in the compiler. In total, Java uses 50 keywords. Out of that, two keywords are not used. Constant and goto, because they are reserved for future use. Uh, Out of the remaining 48 keywords, strict FP was added in version 1.2. Assert keyword is added in version 1.4, and enum was added in version in version 5.0. Data types such as byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, these are also keywords, as well as looping keywords such as do, while, for, continue, break, switch, return, case, if, else, these are also keywords. Access modifiers such as private, public, default, protected, these are also keywords. Those commonly used keywords are static, extend, implement, super, final, and these and many more. Uh, uh, there are two note points: true, false, and null are like the keywords but not actual keywords. They are actually integrals. You can't use any of these keywords as identifier in your program. You can't use any of these keyword or identifier in the program. Keyword as identifier in the program. Identifier is nothing but the names given to the variables, method, as well as classes, variable, method, and object. That is, you can't use any of these keywords as an object name or method name or variable name. Now let's discuss the few of them keywords in detail. First keyword is this keyword. This keyword refers to the current object inside a method or constructor. Every class has its own unique reference ID, and reference variable are of object refers to this reference ID directly. Similarly, this keyword is also refers to the similar reference ID of the class. It can be identified if you print both R and this keyword. So R and this keyword. So we can find that from this we can find that both refers to the same reference ID. This keyword is used. This keyword is used to assign to differentiate the instance variable as well as local variable. If the both instance and local variable names are same, then with the help of this dot variable name, we can differentiate them. If we add this dot to the variable, it is treated as instance variable, and if we without writing this dot keyword, if you use variable name, then it is local variable. It is of local variable. If we print this dot variable, we get the we get the we can return the value whatever given, and if we print the variable, by default it will print 0 as the output, because 0 is the default value for the 0 is the default value for the 0 is the default value for in any instance variable. Okay, this keyword is also used to call the constructor of the same class. With the help of by using of this constructor, we can call default constructor from parameters constructor. Also, by the use of this keyword, we can use to call default constructor from parameterized constructor. Now the second keyword is mostly used keyword is super. Super keyword is used to access all the variables methods and variable method and access all variable method with the help of object of subclass. If the superclass and subclass both variable name and method name are same, then we can with the help of super keyword we can differentiate them. Now the third one is the final keyword. The final keyword is used as final variable, final method, and final class. If we assign any variable as final, then it cannot be reinitialized as it's already initialized. And if we use final keyword in front of method, we cannot override this method. And if you use the final keyword in front of class name, then we cannot inherit the class. Thank you. That's all about keywords in Java.